go.
All right, when changing liner, what you want to make sure is that this liner is in compression in the coaxial cable. So to do that, take your liner and put it through the coaxial cable. Make sure it comes out the end about 6 inches. Then you're going to put it into the wire guide of the torch. There's a shoulder about there, so you should be able to feel it go in and stick. Then you want to turn this nut about 2 threads just to engage it. We'll come back and tighten that later. Then we'll go over here. The best way to do it is there's a little flat right there. So take this, put it to the edge of the tip, mark it with your fingernail using a straight edge tube cutter. Don't use side cutters because it'll kind of bend the liner and cause a pinch point. Make a sharp cut. Take your liner, get out of the way, and then take your guide, pinch it in there. You want it to be somewhat hard to get started. Get it started using a 5/16 wrench. Put it on the flat and turn it tight. There's tight, and then we'll go back to this end. Tighten that end on. And as we're tightening it, it's compressing that liner so that when the wire eventually gets fed through, it won't have any points where it can kind of skip or slip inside of there, and you'll prevent feed issues. Once it's tightened, slide the boot on, and there you go. You should see the cable has a little bit of a bend to it because that liner's in there, and that's how you properly put the liner in the torch.